Hello, my name is Björn Zimmermann. I'm the application specialist at HP Cosmos. Today I will show you our Comet Sprint Trainer. And the Sprint Trainer is a perfect training device for Olympic training facilities and track and field and professional institute. I will show you the features and I will show you how to use the system. And later on we will try it outdoors on the court. The HP Cosmos Comet Sprint Trainer is good for two applications. It delivers either traction resistance, that means the athletes will run in this direction away from the machine and the machine will deliver an adjustable resistance. On the other side, if the athletes are like 150 meters apart from here and are running in this direction, the Comet Sprint Trainer will deliver support. It will pull you in this direction. And also this support is adjustable. Therefore, the athletes have to wear a waist belt. The waist belt is connected to a 180 meters long rope. And this rope is winded up on this winch drum. And the winch drum itself is connected to a servo motor that is very powerful. From a technical point of view, the Comet is available in two versions. Single phase, that means 230 volt, or 400 volt, that's triple phase. The single phase version delivers a constant support or resistance of equal to 160 Newton. The triple phase version delivers about 300 Newton. To power it on, connect the power plug, turn the main switch, and turn the machine on. To move the Comet to your desired place, it has some wheels and grips on the rear. For stabilization reasons, pull out the stabilization pillar and turn it like this. If you do it, the light will not illuminate anymore. The backside of the Comet is the working station of the operator, of the trainer. Here you will find some general information about the proper use, some images about traction resistance or traction support. You will have an emergency button, so in case of an emergency, for example, the athlete is stumbling and going to fall, hit the button. You will also see some lights flashing here in case of any error, of any faulty message. You can press the button to reset the error message. We've already seen the stabilization pillar. The light is illuminated if the stabilization pillar is not retracted. We have a button to power on the system, so the drive system itself, and a button to turn it off. Before you turn it on, make sure the potentiometers for the speed and the traction load is down at 0. Now we can turn it on. Again, to turn it off, simply press the button. As a simple workflow, you will see also here a small instruction. First, pull out the stabilization pillar. This is already done. We do not see an illuminated light here. Turn on the main switch and turn on the power switch. Set the speed and the traction load to 0. Turn on the machine. Select the speed. This is typically 100%. And now select the desired traction resistance or traction support. For example, 20% of the maximum permissible load. Once the athlete is running and is doing the exercise, you will see the percentage of the current load here in this display. Now we are ready to go. The athlete will wear the waist belt and can now run away or towards the machine. If you see the subject is by the end of his running track, by the end of his exercise, make sure you reduce the load down to 0. Part of the Assosaurus is also an elastic rubber band of over 4 meter length, and this is for the compensation of the first acceleration phase. This rubber band must only be used during traction support and never been used in traction resistance. So always, when doing the overspeed training, use the elastic rubber band attached between the main rope and the waist belt, and then you're ready to go.